Imposter syndrome, an all too familiar companion for artists. Within the depths of their art-filled adventure, a silent battle unfolds, testing their confidence and authenticity. Behind the world of brushes and canvases lingers the haunting presence of self-doubt and criticism. As an artist, you pour your heart and soul into your work. You immerse yourself in the world of colors, textures, and compositions. With each artful line, you pour your emotions onto the canvas, daring to share a piece of your innermost self with the world. Yet, amidst the applause and accolades, a persistent doubt creeps in, questioning your legitimacy and whispering that you're not truly deserving of the praise. The layers of paint you carefully apply, the blending of hues, and the intricate details, they bear witness to your passion and dedication. And yet, that nagging voice casts qualm upon your abilities, making you wonder if your work is truly worthy of recognition and acclaim, or nothing more than cruel illusion. Comparison becomes a dangerous contest. As you soak yourself in the works of your peers, their talent, their unique style, how effortlessly they seem to captivate and inspire. And in the shadow of their achievements, you may feel small and insignificant, plagued by the belief that you'll never measure up. Vulnerability becomes your closest companion as you battle the fear of judgment, of being exposed as a fraud. You get shielded with self-wavering, questioning each brushstroke and color choice, disguising your insecurities behind a facade of confidence. Yet, deep down, you wonder if others will see through the layers of your quest. The act of painting, once a wellspring of joy and freedom, becomes a minefield of uncertainty. Every stain of the paint feels like a test you might fail. The fear of being perceived as an unworthy or talentless lurks in the shadows, threatening to overshadow your creative odyssey. But remember, you are not alone in this struggle. Within the artistic community, countless painters face the same battle against imposter syndrome. They too grapple with self-doubt, seeking validation and understanding during their artistic pursuits, striving to find their voice amidst the chaos. Embrace the truth that your artful journey is a personal evolution, a process of growth and self-discovery. Each color you choose, each piece you create, regardless of its perceived flaws, is a testament to a unique perspective on artistic improvement. Your work holds a veracity that cannot be replicated, for it emanates from the depth of your being. Embrace vulnerability as your strength, as your greatest asset. Embrace the imperfections that arise, for they are the strokes that give life to your paintings. And for it is within those imperfections that the raw essence of your artistry truly shines. Remember, it is the human touch, your personal, authentic and genuine expression, the stories you tell, the emotions you evoke, that resonate deeply with others and make your art truly remarkable. So, dear artist, as you confront the labyrinth of imposter syndrome, know that your voice is valid, your work is significant, and your artistic endeavor holds immeasurable worth. Embrace the artist within, for you are deserving of every stroke, every canvas, and every masterpiece you create.